Tushar sir,
Yes, yes.
I also want to record, but you make me host, and then I make you host.
Okay, I also start the record already. Okay.
I
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, now you start. I make you host.
Okay. Can you see my PPT?
Yes, yes. I can see your PPT.
Okay. But I want to show my. Okay. Can I share now? Can I start? Unmute yourself, please. Okay. Bhashila ma'am, unmute yourself. Unmute.
Okay.
Okay. Can I start?
Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Can you start, sir?
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, respected Bhashali Verma ma'am. I would like to welcome here in the international telecollaboration project between India and Bangladesh teacher. Uh, Here it's me, my identity, Ibnul Hasan Tushar, BA Honors M in English. Okay, assistant teacher English at Ronchandi School and College, Kishorganj Nilphamari, Rangpur, Bangladesh. Okay, here we can see the telecollaboration project fellow teacher of India and Bangladesh. Um, Now I am going to discuss about the today's session nong 14, and it's related to the SDG nong 10, that's named reduce inequalities. And our today's topic is holidays and gift giving reducing inequalities. Now I am going to discuss about these topics. Okay. Okay, holidays and giving. Okay, I already show this PPT in the previous session, but is this related to the this session? I again show that there are many festivals or holidays in Bangladesh, as there are days in the years. Uh, Fairs and festivals play an important role in the social life of ordinary Bangladeshis. The biggest Muslim religious festivals are the Eid al-Fitr, that held at the end of the festive month of Ramadan. Eid al-Fitr, Jaha, Muharram, and Miladun Nabi, day of uh, birthday of the Prophet. Widely celebrated festivals for other religious communities are the Durga Puja for the Hindus, Christmas or Christians, and Buddha Purnima for the Buddhist. Bangla New Year days that name Pohela Boishak, Shohid Divos, that name Sri Lanka's Martyrs Day, Independence Day, March 27, and Victory Day, December 16, are celebrated nationwide here in Bangladesh. Actually, besides these religious and national festivals, villages, uh, townships, professional groups, cultural organizations arrange their own festivals. Okay, next you can see a picture of my holidays. It's named the Eid al-Fitr. It's me. You can see it's me, and it's my lovely son, and it's my new foe. Okay, the biggest Muslim festival, Eid al-Fitr, is observed throughout the world. The Eid falls on the following day of Ramadan, or the month of fasting. Actually, after the 1 month fasting, we celebrate the Eid al-Fitr. Then Eid al-Azhar, Eid al-Azha, Bashili ma'am, Hosniara ma'am are here. Okay. Eid al-Azha is the second biggest
Okay.
festival of the Muslims. It marks the Hajj in Makkah on the 10th of Ijilhas, the lunar month actually. Large Eid congregations are held in mosques and public prayer grounds. Animals are sacrificed in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim's preparedness for the sacrifice of his beloved son to Allah. The day is public holiday. We observe with the Muslims in Bangladesh and all over the world are uh, celebrate these days. Then Muharram, its name Muharram. It's a name of its Arabic name. Okay, the biggest Muslim festivals, Eid al-Fitr is observed throughout the world. It falls on the following of Ramadan month of fasting, and the uh, few days ago we celebrate the Muharram, and it also the also biggest festivals of Muslims. Now it's not the religious festivals, it the festivals of the Bengali in Bangladesh, and that's named Pohela Boishakh. Bengali New Year's Day is colorful event in the cities and villages throughout the country. The day 14 April is a public holiday, the most attractive event in Dhaka that respects throughout the day takes places at Ramana Park. Students of the Fine Arts Institute of Dhaka or University uh, organize colorful pageant where prepare made animals and marks figure and permanently. Okay, then Independence Day, the biggest state festivals. The Independence Day we observe 26 March is observed throughout the country. All major cities wear a festive look. It is a public holiday. The citizens of Dhaka wake up early in the morning to the sound of booming guns heralding the day. Then, then 21st February, World Mother Language Day. Actually, the 21st February, it's a historical day of Bengali. We the Bengalis are sacrifice your life for our language. Okay, and 21st February, World Mother Language Day. It's also recognized worldly, and we call it International Mother Language Day, and it observed it celebrate all over the world in the 21st February. Okay, 21st February of every year is observed throughout the country in remembrance of the martyrs of language movement of 1952. 1952, when Pakistanis want to remove our mother tongue, then the Bengalis fight for their language with them. And in the 21st February in 1952, many of the people of Bengali sacrificed their life for their mother tongue Bangla. Okay, blood was shed on this day at the Central Shahid Minar area at established Bangla as a state language of Pakistan. Okay, then Christmas known as a Borodin or the big day in Bangla is celebrated with festives in Dhaka and elsewhere in the country. Several day-long congregations were held at the Santa Mariam Cathedral at Ramna, Portuguese church at Tesga, Church of Bangladesh Protestant on Johnson Road, and Bangladesh Baptist Sangho at Sadarghat, Dhaka. Functions including illumination of church, decorating Christmas tree, and other festives. Now I am going to discuss about the Durga Puja, and I think it is very familiar to the Bhaishali ma'am, to the people of India and Bangladesh. And yeah, though we are the Muslim, but we celebrate the day with a festive mood every year, and we and our Hindu friends give us a gift or sweets in the day of Durga Puja. Okay, Durga Puja, the biggest festival of the Hindu community in the country, continues for 10 days, with the last 3 days being the most joyful. The festivities culminate with the idol of goddess Durga immersed in the river. In Dhaka, the big celebrations are held at Dhakeshwari temple, where a fair is also held at the Ramakrishna Mission. Okay, the project director gave us some question, and I am going to discuss answer these questions. Okay, first question is, how do you celebrate birthdays in your country? We celebrate birthdays every year in the in our birthday. Okay, we just invite our nearest persons at the birthday, and we sometimes arrange the sweets and distribute foods among them, cut the cake, and by this way we try to celebrate the birthdays in your country. And what is the best gift in your ever received? Actually, uh, there are many best gift in my life. Many people, many friends, many relatives and the family members give me in the birthday. Then, have you ever received a funny or terrible gift? Okay, I never. I honestly say that I never received a funny or terrible gift. Then, have you ever given a funny or? Oh no, no. I also don't give a funny or terrible gift to other. Okay, then reduce inequalities. I'm going to discuss about the SDG 10 that names reduce inequalities. Here Here, Bangladesh has ranked on 3 on the commitment of reducing inequalities index 2020. Oxfam and Development Finance Industry International released the third edition of the global report, the commitment of reduce inequalities index 2020 on Thursday. Okay, the new analysis has revealed that Bangladesh has achieved remarkable economic growth in the last decade, 6% on average per annum. However, the growth has accompanied with income inequality, gaining coefficient of income rose from 0.458 in 2010 to 0.482 in 2016. Okay, unemployed people. Here, here, those people who are the unemployed, and they live a measurable condition in their life. So I am going to discuss about that. The total employment in Bangladesh absorbs 70 million workers in 2020. Employment in the agriculture sector and the service sector at 79% of the total. The rest are the industry sector. It shows that employment in agriculture sector has been decreasing, while service sector employment and industry sector employment have been increasing since 2000. In 2020, the service sector dominated with its largest employment share of 40%. Now, here is the two questions. Tell names of some local, national, international organizations which are working to reduce inequalities in your country. Okay, there are so many local and national and international organizations here working to reduce inequalities in our country. So many NGOs, so many government projects, projects. I name it A2I, UNDP, the international organization, USAID, MEMIS, Maushi, so many national and international organizations are working here to reduce inequalities in our country. That's for thank you so much for your precious time, and that's all for from my side, respected Vaishali ma'am. Thank you very much for your time, precious time.
Very nice PPT, Tushar sir, and thank you so much. You give me more information about your festivals and gifts and how you celebrate your birthday parties. And very nice PPT you make it.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Uh, Now I am continue my session. Husna ma'am is not now.
Again, she is admit.
Make me the host. Okay. Uh,
Okay, done.
okay.
Husna ma'am, how are you?
Uh, can you see? Can you see my?
No, 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 no. I
Hello.
can't. I can't see your PPT now.
জি স্যার, ভালো আছি। ভালো আছেন স্যার?
No, ভালো আছি। Vaishali ma'am, share your PPT.
Oh,
কেটে
sir. Okay,
যাচ্ছে
sir.
বারবার।
Can you see my PPT?
Yes, yes, yes.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Okay. Welcome, Husnara ma'am.
ওয়েলকাম ম্যাম।
How are you?
আই এম ফাইন। ম্যাম, ইউ?
Okay. I'm also fine. Kunda ma'am is not available at now, so our meeting is very calm. See, we have now we are starting our 14th session India Bangladesh collaboration telecollaboration project. This is our 14th session, and thank you. You give me opportunity to present my PPT. See, here are the telecollaboration project in India and Bangladesh. There are 3 members from India and 3 members from Bangladesh. First member is Urmila Ushir ma'am, me and Kunda Vacha ma'am, and Husnera ma'am from Bangladesh, Rupa Maulik ma'am Bangladesh, and Tushar sir. You are from Bangladesh. Okay. Our topics are session number 14. Our topics names is of holidays and gift giving, and second topic is about reduced inequalities. First topic is holidays and gift giving. The gift giving etiquettes in India means we celebrate our festivals or birthday parties. At that time, how can we how can our India's etiquettes we show you gift giving etiquette in India. If you are if you are invited to India's home, the Indian giving custom is to bring the host and hostess a small gift to chocolates or flowers. Do not wrap gifts in white or black colors, which are considered unlucky colors. Instead, use bright colors such as green, red, and yellow. Means in India, black and white colors are is not used in so many in good functions. Third is gift are not usually opened in the presence of the gift giver. This is our etiquettes. Gift giving etiquettes in India say Hindus should not be given gifts made of leather. Muslims should not be given gifts made of pigskin or any alcoholic products. And third is items that people in the West may take a granted may not be available in India. So gifts such as electronic gadgets, computer disk, bandage, soap mix, and knives would be appreciated. Fourth, chocolates, disposable razors, perfumes, toiletries, and household items such as plastic containers can also be welcome gifts. Means in Hindu region, we cannot give leather gift. When we went in the our temples at that time, we have also not we cannot take a leather purse in the temple.
Okay.
Weddings in India. Indian weddings are splendid celebrations that are immersed with ritual and traditions. If you will be a guest at the actual religious wedding ceremony, you are female, you may not want to consider wearing a sari. True, though it is not required the family would appropriate the gesture. Female guests that choose not to wear a sari need to dress conservatively. When choosing an outfit for the wedding, there are some colors to avoid: red and black. Red is the color traditionally worn by Indian brides, and black is the color worn during mourning. A wedding gift. When choosing a wedding gift for an Indian couple, household items are always be appreciated gift. A traditional Indian wedding gift would be gold, silver jewelry. Choose something that would suit the couple styles, and be sure that you know the correct size to purchase. Major gift giving holidays in India. Uh, Rakhi. Rakhi is the festival of brother and sister. At that time, brother gives so many gifts to our sister, and this is very popular festival in our India. Usually made mid end of this Rakhi Purnima. We call it Rakhi Purnima, Raksha Bandhan. It is usually in mid end of August. Usually gifts are given from brothers or sisters. We are always waiting for this festival. And then Diwali, usually in November. This holiday is known as the Festival of Lights, and Christmas celebrate but not widely. Major holidays: Republic Days, Independence Days, Maharashtra Day, Diwali, summer vacation, Gandhi Jayanti, and Christmas. These are major holidays in our India. Summer vacation have the March to students. They have the for April to June, 15 June. We have the holidays for students. Gandhi Jayanti have also 1 day celebration, and in Diwali there are the 21 days have holidays in our India. Occasions: birthday parties. We are celebrate birthday parties, wedding ceremony, baby shower, anniversaries, and some festivals. Giving gifts at the time. See, here are some pictures. Raksha Bandhan, and at that time, the brother give them gifts. Here, Diwali is in India the most important festival of the year, a time to celebrate the triumph of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and good over evil. Widely widely observed among more than a billion people from a variety of faiths across India and its diaspora. The 5 days of Diwali are marked by prayer, feast, fireworks, family gatherings, and charitable giving. For some, Diwali is also the beginning of a year, but Diwali is perhaps the best known as a festival of light, derived some derived from the Sanskrit Dipavali, which means row of lights. Diwali is known for the brightly during play lamps and celebrates line up outside their homes. Here we can see the picture of Diwali. How can we celebrate it? And then the next festival is Rakhi, celebrate on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Shravan. Shravan is in Marathi month Shravan, and English July and August. This festival celebrates the love of brother for his sister. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brother to protect them against evil influences and pray for their long life happiness. See, here are some pictures for Rakhi celebrations. We can celebrate it in our school also, Raksha Bandhan.
Okay.
Uh, Christmas. Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25th as a religious and cultural celebration by billions of people around the world. Christmas celebration, Christmas Day as the anniversary of the birth of Jesus Nazareth, and the spiritual leader whose teaching from the basis of their religion. Here we can see some festivals, Christmas festival picture. Now we are discussing about the second topic about reduced inequalities. 10 reduces inequalities. About reduced inequalities, Sustainable Development Goal 10 is about reduced inequalities and is one of the 17 sustainable development goals established by the United Nations in 2015. The full title is Reduce Inequality within and among countries. The goal has by 2030. What is meant by reduced inequalities? United Nations definition is ensure equal opportunity and reduce inequalities of outcome, including by the eliminating discriminatory laws, policies, and practices, and promoting appropriate legislation, policies, and action in this regard. How do you reduce inequality? 6 policies to reduce economic inequality. Income means when we can we can reduce our inequality for economy, increase the minimum wage. Second, expand the earned income tax, build assets for working families, and invest in education, make the tax code more progressive, and residential segregation. These policies we used at that time, we can reduce our economic equality. Why is reduced inequality important? Reducing inequality is the most important step these countries can take the increased population of well-being in the developing and the emerging economics. Both greater equality and improvements in standard of living are needed for population to flourish. Inequality waste human capital and human potential. So it is very important. We can see there is a target 10, special and differential treatment for developing countries, and then improve regulation of global financial markets and institutions, and it promotes promote universal social, economic, and political inclusion. And these are our targets for reducing our inequality. And thank you so much for you give me your precious time. And
thank you very much.
Give me permission. And you also give me permission to share my PPT.
Okay, thank you very much, Vaishali ma'am. Really, I learned much more about your country, about the reducing how you actually how your country reduce the inequalities among the people, and what is the steps that Indian government are take. Really, we learn more about your country. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Now we can end our session.
Yes.
Conclude our session.
Yes, we conclude our session. Hosniara ma'am, you do.
Hosniara ma'am, you want to say something?
Do you want to say something?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, session ki shesh, sir.
হ্যাঁ, আপনি যদি কিছু বলতে চান তাহলে বললে আমরা শেষ করে
না,
দেবো।
আমি এখন পিপিটি দরকার নেই স্যার, 10টা বেজে গেছে, পিপিটি আর শেয়ার করার দরকার নেই।
আচ্ছা, ধন্যবাদ। Vaishali ma'am, she don't want to share
Okay.
something, but what is our next session? Is it possible we can organize the session tomorrow morning 10 p.m.
Tom-
10 a.m. 10 a.m.
Tomorrow 10 a.m. 10 a.m. or 10:30.
Yes, yes, yes. If it's
Okay,
possible,
but tomorrow's session is our last session.
yes, tomorrow session is our last session.
Okay, I'm discussing about this Kunda ma'am because she's inviting Sonone sir.
Yes,
So
yes.
they have possible at that time we can conduct it.
Okay, okay, no problem.
But huh?
Okay,
But
no problem.
tomorrow is Sunday, so you have time 2 or 6 in this timing.
No, no, no.
Is
Here,
you have no time limit. Tomorrow you have no time limit.
no, here Friday is off day, not Sunday.
Okay. Sunday. Okay. Thursday is off day.
And Friday is off day here.
Friday is off day. Okay.
Friday is off day, not Sunday. Sunday is working day here.
In India, Sunday is working. Sunday is off.
And
Saturday and Sunday is off.
oh, Friday is working day in your
Okay.
country.
Uh, in my country, Sunday is off day.
Okay. Okay.
And
Here,
Saturday is a half day. Saturday half day working.
oh, Saturday half day. Here, Friday is off day.
Okay.
Okay, you discuss about
So,
Kunda ma'am and then notify me what we can should.
okay. Huh? We are discussing about on and I give you a message on WhatsApp.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, goodbye. Good night.
Okay. Bye. Good night. Bye.
সকাল 10:30
জানাবে ওনারা জানাবে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
ঠিক আছে। Okay, good night. Good night.
Okay. Bye. Good night. Okay. Thank you.